Well, how y'all doing? PawPaw again. And there ain't nothing I like better than getting free money. Folks, this ain't clickbait. I'm serious as a heart attack. Be right back, tell you all about it. Well, here I was minding my own business yesterday evening. I was online, I was looking for some fuel line because I've got a leaf blower, two lawnmowers, and 2 or 3 weed eaters that I've still got to work on after I get this hedge clipper done. So I was online looking, trying to buy me like a 10-foot roll of fuel line instead of paying $4 for 2 feet, and one of those 2 feet wasn't the right size. So to buy it local is kind of hard to do, and then if you do find it somewhere local, some of these clowns want an arm and a leg for it just because they can. So anyway, I get to shopping, and what I run into reminded me of something that had happened to me a few years ago when I was in Walmart. And in Walmart they said, if you will apply for a Walmart credit card, we'll knock $25 off your first month's bill. I said, what? They said, yeah. You apply for a Walmart credit card, if you're approved, we'll knock $25 off your first month's bill. I looked at him and I said, so you mean if I get approved and I go in here in Walmart and I spend $25, whenever my bill comes, I will see a $25 credit and then I won't owe you nothing. They said, that's right, if your total is exactly $25, that's exactly right. And I said, well, I'll try that then. So I went ahead and I applied for it and I was approved, and I spent $25, maybe $26, $27, I don't know, wasn't much. Just gonna see if this is gonna work. Sure enough, you know, when the bill came, there it was, $25 credit. I said, well, cool. And then they said, well, you know, we'll also give you so many % back on every purchase you make. And I said, well, I studied on it. I'm not much into credit cards. And I studied on it, and I said, well, you know, I've got the money, and I don't borrow money, you know, except to like buy a farm. And I said, well, having been in a mobile home business and dealing with credit, I knew that it was important. I knew that it was important to have good credit, and the credit cards were the one thing that people got in trouble with so fast and so often, that if you can control your spending and have a credit card with a limit on it, and don't exceed that limit, and pay your bill like you're supposed to, you get incredible points on your credit score. So I decided that, what the heck, I'm an older person, I don't go out here spending money I don't have. So what I started to do with Walmart is, I was going to shop at Walmart anyway, so instead of using my debit card, I just used the Walmart credit card. And you know, at the end of the month, I'd see a few dollars kick back to me, and I said, well, that's free money. So here I was online last night, needing that fuel line, and I'm shopping for it. You know, you Google it, and it pulls up where you can buy it, and showed a listing at Amazon. So I go on Amazon, and I'm not much on buying from Amazon. Some of my kids go with Amazon quite a bit, and so does my wife here and there. But I've never been much of a Amazon loyal person. I always buy wherever the bargain was. And lo and behold, here is 10 foot of fuel line that I need, sure enough deal. And it was like, I don't know, $10, something like that. And I go to check out, and it gave me an offer for an Amazon credit card. Now folks, if you can't handle credit, if you can't discipline yourself and use it only as it should be used, then I don't recommend you get a credit card. Especially young people that, you know, don't even think about tomorrow, you just spend today. But if you've got the money in the bank and you need something and you've got the credit card and can put it on that credit card, then pay them when the bill's due or before it's due, then you're doing, you know, your personal credit some good. And I will tell you that one of the reasons that I'm doing this is because I had purchased 4 rental houses at one time. It was a $120,000 purchase. I put down, I don't know, like $9,000, something like that. Anyway, I financed around $110,000, $111,000. Paid on it perfectly, religiously, never missed a payment, ever, ever, ever. In all the years we've had this property, and come to find out, I wasn't getting a bit of credit on my credit score. And I went to the bank and I said, why are you all not reporting this to the credit bureau? They said, well, we couldn't sell you 4 houses at one time as an individual. We had to do it as a business loan. I said, well, shit. So, all these years of paying on a $120,000 loan, $112,000 loan, got me absolutely no credit score at all, not even reported on the bureau. So that's kind of frustrating. So anyway, Amazon says if you will apply for this card, if approved, we will give you $50 to spend. We'll give you a gift card, Amazon credit card. We'll load it up with $50 on it. And I'm like, well, yeah. So I filled out the application online. I was immediately approved. And they said, congratulations, there's your $50 in credit. Use it. So I bought that fuel line. And come to, I think, $11.26 with tax. And it says you still have $38.74 or whatever left on your gift card. Huh. Well, making sure it wasn't a dream, I logged back in there today. There's that money still sitting there. So I bought a few more things. I got me a back brace where my back hurts so bad. Maybe it help support my lower back. But anyway, I bought a few items, and getting ready for the upcoming videos we're going to be doing here. So I just want to tell y'all, if you're going to buy stuff anyway, if you're going to buy groceries, you're going to buy this, you're going to buy that, hell, log on to Amazon.com, see if they'll give you $50 for free. And once you've used up the card and it says you've got to use that card, that's entirely up to you. But don't ever get a credit card if you don't have the willpower and the ability to pay it off in full every month. But it is nice to have one in case of an emergency, in case you broke down on the side of the road. If you ain't got a bunch of money in your bank and your debit card ain't going to do you no good if you ain't got the money, then sometimes it is good to have a credit card. So I do have a few, that I rarely use, but it's there just in case. So check it out. Like I said, this is not clickbait. This is real money. And hell, Amazon sells groceries. Buy yourself some groceries. And everything I got shipped for free. Some of the stuff I had to spend at least $25. So today I spent at least $25. And all 3 items I purchased shipped for free. And so there. I hope that's helped you a little bit. Go log in to www.amazon.com and see if you can't snoop around there and go through the motions of buying some inexpensive item. See if it don't throw up that, hey, how about getting you an Amazon card? We'll give you $50. What do you got to lose, folks? Well, I hope that helps you. But please don't leave no negative comments on here if you haven't checked it out. You think it's a rip-off, you think it's a con or whatever. Come on, if you ain't checked it out, you don't know. Anyway, there you go. I hope that's helped you. It's real money. $50 is $50. They can buy a lot of groceries for a family. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye.